Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Dia Ramadhani with student number 2341-2060 from class AKT 23A. In this video, I will briefly explain the material from the International Business course. Introduction. International business refers to business activities that take place between companies from different countries. Today, many companies expand their business across national border by selling product, opening branch, or investing in other countries. This situation happens because globalization and technology have made transportation, communication, and trade easier than before. However, when companies operate in many countries, they face not only economic challenges but also ethical and social issues. Companies should not focus only on making profit, but they must also consider the impact of their business activities on workers, consumers, society, and the environment. Therefore, ethics and social responsibility become important aspect in international business to ensure that companies operate in a fair and responsible way. Next to background, the growth of international business has created many opportunities for companies to expand their market and increase their profit. Many multinational companies now produce goods in one country and sell them in other countries around the world. However, the expansion of business activities also creates many ethical challenges. Different countries have different culture, law, social norm, and economic condition. Because of this difference, companies sometimes face difficult decisions about what is considered ethical or unethical. In some cases, multinational companies have received critiques from the public because of issues such as unfair wage, poor working conditions, or environmental pollution. The situation shows that companies must take responsibility for their action and consider the social impact of their business activities. Next to meaning of ethics in international business. Ethics in international business refers to the moral principle and value that guide companies when making business decisions across different countries. Ethical behavior means that companies act honestly, fairly, and responsibly in all their business activities. In international business, ethics is very important because companies interact with people from different cultures and social backgrounds. For example, some business practice may be accepted in one country but considered unethical in another country. Because of this situation, companies must follow a general ethical value that are accepted globally, such as honesty, transparency, respect, and fairness. By following ethical principles, companies can create trust and build strong relationships with customers, partners, and communities. Next to meaning of corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility refers to the commitment of company to contribute positively to society and the environment. Corporate social responsibility means that companies should not only focus on financial profit but also consider how their activities affect people and the natural environment. In international business, corporate social responsibility is very important because companies often operate in communities with different social and economic conditions. Third, corporate social responsibility program, companies can help improve the quality of life in the communities where they operate. For example, companies can support education programs, health service, environmental protection, and economic development for local communities. By doing these activities, companies show that they care about society and want to create positive change. Next to principle of business ethics. There are several important principles that guide ethical behavior in business. The first principle is honest, which means companies should always provide true and accurate information to customer, partner, and the public. The second principle is fairness, which means treating all stakeholders equally and without discrimination. Another important principle is responsibility. Companies must take responsibility for the consequences of their decision and action. In addition, companies should respect human rights, including the right of work to receive fair wage, safe working conditions, and equal opportunities. These ethical principles help companies maintain integrity and create responsible business practice in the global market. Next to importance of ethical and social responsibility. Ethical and social responsibility play a very important role in international business success. Companies that follow ethical standards are more likely to gain trust from customer, investor, government, and the general public. Trust is a key factor in building long-term business relationships. When a company is known for its ethical behavior, people feel more confident in supporting its product and service. Ethical practice also help companies avoid legal problems and conflict with local communities. In addition, companies that practice social responsibility can build a positive reputation and improve their brand image in the global market. Next to ethical challenge in international business. Despite their importance, applying ethical principles in international business is not always easy. Companies often face ethical challenges due to cultural difference, economic pressure, and competition. For example, labor standards in developing countries may be lower than in developed countries. Some companies may take advantage of this condition by paying low wage or ignoring safety standards. Another challenge is corruption or bribery, which may exist in certain business environments. Companies must decide whether to follow an ethical practice or maintain their ethical standard. To overcome this challenge, companies need strong ethical guidelines, clear company policies, and responsible leadership. Next to example of ethical issues. There have been many examples of ethical issues involving multinational companies. In some cases, companies have been criticized for using factors where workers receive very low wage and work long hours in unsafe conditions. In other cases, companies have caused environmental damage by releasing waste or pollution into rivers, forests, or the air. This action can harm local communities and natural ecosystems. When these issues become public, companies often face strong critiques from consumers, government, and international organizations. As a result, their reputation may be damaged and their business performance may decline. Next to role of companies in social responsibility. Companies play an important role in promoting social responsibility and sustainable development. They can create policies that support fair treatment of workers, environmental protection, and community development. For example, companies can provide training programs for employees, ensure safe working conditions, and support education for local communities. Companies can also reduce environmental impact by using sustainable production methods and reducing waste or pollution. By taking these actions, companies demonstrate their commitment to ethical value and social responsibility. Next to benefit of ethical business practice. Applying ethical principles and social responsibility can bring many benefits to companies. First, it improves the company's reputation and public image. A good reputation helps companies attract more customers and investors. Second, ethical companies often build stronger relationships with employees, customers, and communities. This can increase customer loyalty and employee satisfaction. Third, ethical behavior helps companies avoid legal problems and social conflict. In the long term, companies that follow ethical standards are more likely to achieve sustainable growth and long-term success. Next to conclusion. In conclusion, ethics and social responsibility are essential elements in international business. Companies should not focus only on economic profit but must also consider the social and environmental impact of their activities. Ethical business practices help companies build trust, maintain a good reputation, and create positive relationships with stakeholders. By applying ethical principles and social responsibility, companies can contribute to sustainable development and long-term business success. Therefore, every company that operates internationally should integrate ethical value into its business strategies and daily operation. It's all the material for me. I hope it's useful. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.